Are you an OFW working or living abroad that is looking for a property investment that surely appreciates over time? Are you looking for a condo investment that is strategically located in a master plan community here in Metro Santa Rosa? Or you're just simply looking for a property that has a flexible payment terms and no spot down payment? If this is what you are looking for, stay tuned as I share with you why Zodia Condominium is one of the perfect investment here in Metro Santa Rosa. And by the way guys, before we start, I'm Jen Sorner, your Elite Properties, and make sure to like and subscribe my channel. So sa likod ko makikita nyo ang ating pinaka-project na si Zodia Condominium at nakatayo na dito ang tatlong tower, which is the Tower 1, 2, and the Tower 3 that is currently ongoing ang construction. So tara guys, punta tayo sa pinaka-Zodia para makita nyo ang pinaka-area at kung bakit ba napakaganda mag-invest dito. So guys, right now, andito tayo sa Paseo Outlet Mall, yung isa sa project ni Greenfield Development Corporation. Isa to sa factory outlet mall nila. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa video na walking distance away lang going to Zodia Condominium. So drive lang tayo guys. Once na nakarating na tayo sa Zodia, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga nakatayo ng tower doon and ongoing. So, right now guys, puntahan na natin yung Zodia Condominium and drive lang tayo ng konti. Once na dumating tayo doon, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung pinaka-site, yung nakatayong Tower 1 and 2, ongoing construction ng ating Tower 3, and of course, yung ongoing construction din ng ating amenity. So, stay tuned lang kayo guys and drive lang ako ng konti. So right now, we are here sa pinaka-entrance ni Zodia. As you can see, meron talaga itong nature-inspired, talagang may greeneries. So before we dive into the details, samahan nyo muna akong itour ko kayo sa pinaka-loob ng Zodia para makita nyo ang Tower 1 and Tower 2 na already constructed and the Tower 3 na ongoing ang construction. So tara guys! So right now guys, nandito na tayo sa pinaka-actual site ni Zodia kung saan ito located. At sa likod ko makikita nyo ang ating Tower 1 that I already mentioned sa inyo na ang Tower 1 and Tower 2 is nakatayo na and the Tower 3 is ongoing ang construction. And right now, ang Tower 4 ang aming ino-offer that is currently on pre-selling. So, just to give you some details about Zodia, Zodia is a 5-building condominium complex that is strategically located in the heart of Metro Santa Rosa. So, si Zodia, it has a nature-inspired kung saan 80% of it is dedicated to open space. Mapapansin nyo naman sa pinaka-actual building natin, meron talaga siyang greeneries, talagang ine-emphasize natin dito yung pagiging eco-friendly, And the open space naman, napapansin nyo rin talaga itself na napakadaming spaces. When it comes to location, bakit ko nasabi that Zodia is in a prime location? It's because it's very accessible sa mga exit like the Eton Greenfield exit, Calax exit, and of course, the Santa Rosa exit. And Zodia, share ko lang sa inyo, is located sa future BGC Makati of the South, kung saan mapapansin nyo, sobrang dami pang open spaces that is part of the master plan development of Greenfield Development Corporation. So, it means, the more development, mas mabilis magtataas ang price value na investment mo. So, ano-ano nga ba ang mga existing at current development? So, ano-ano nga ba ang mga existing and future development here in the area, So, unahin na natin ang mga existing development. So, we have the Paseo Outlet Mall kung saan tayo galing kanina na I mentioned to you na it's just walking distance away. Talagang matatagpuan nyo siya across Zodia Condominium lang talaga. At napakadaming factory outlet store dito, We also have the Vista Mall. It's just few minutes away. And of course, hindi mawawala ang Soledad in Nuvali, That's just also few minutes away. Talagang parang nasa kabilang bakod lang siya, though wala tayong makikitang bakod. Because in this area, napakaraming big developer talaga na merong master plan development here in Metro Santa Rosa. Aside from Soledad, no, we also have this SNR and Landers kung saan ma-enjoy nyo ang shopping experience talaga together with your family, no. So, ano pa nga ba bukod dun sa mga na-mention ko, we also have this mga existing hotel here in the area like the Seda Hotel, the Premier Hotel. When it comes to schools and prestigious universities, Zadilla is just few minutes away, no? Like the UST or the University of Santo Tomas, no, it's just 5 minutes away. We also have the University of the East, De La Salle University, Canlubang Campus, Xavier School, Miriam College, and many more. Kaya nga sinasabi, no, that we have this university belt of the South here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Dahil sa kaliwat kanan na prestigious university at hindi na kailangan pumunta ng mga kids natin or mag-dorm sa Manila. So, when it comes to hospital naman, of course, it's also #1 priority needs natin, di ba, no? Hospital is also just few minutes away, like the Medical City, no? It also part of the master plan development of Greenfield Development Corporation, kung saan walking distance away lang si Medical City. We also have the UniHealth Qualimed, that is located in Nuvali, and it also owned by the Ayala. And we also have this, the Asian Hospital, which is just 30 minutes away if you take the South Luzon Expressway. So talagang andito na lahat, no? Because Metro Santa Rosa is the next BGC Makati of the South. So, pag-usapan naman natin ang future development here sa area, no? So, as I mentioned to you earlier, no, di ba, marami pang mga open spaces, especially here in Greenfield City, no? Those open spaces is the Santa Rosa District Business Center ni Greenfield City. That is part of the master plan development ni Greenfield City. Kung saan magkakaroon tayo ng mga commercial buildings, office spaces, mga condos, and mga hotel, like the Vivere Hotel na nakaposisyon na dito. Sa Nuvali naman, we also have this future development that's currently ongoing na ang construction, which is the Central Block and the Merrimart, no? So talagang kaliwat ka na sumusulpot ang mga development because it's part of the growing development here in Metro Santa Rosa. And ano-ano ba yung mga big developers na nandito sa area na talagang meron ding master plan development na I'm for sure nagko-contribute to each other, especially sa mga project na dinidevelop nila. We have this Ayala Land Development, we also have the Cat High, Eaton Properties, Vista Land, and many more. So masasabi ko talaga na it's very promising mag-invest here in Metro Santa Rosa, especially here in Zadilla Condominium. Zadilla is a master plan project by Greenfield Development Corporation, who is also the owner of Ulinab, Del Monte, and many more, no? So here in Zadilla Condominium, we are offering a studio unit and also a combined unit. So Zadilla was launched around 2018, no? And with the price starts only at 2.2 million. So as of now, no, our studio unit, nag-range na ang price niya around 5.1 million. So imagine, hindi lang doble ang naging price increase niya, kundi almost triple na po ng current price. And right now, no, we are offering the Tower 4 that I mentioned to you earlier that is currently on pre-selling. So here in Zadilla, no, napakagandang payment terms na meron kami dito. We are offering a no-spot down payment, unlike sa other condo project within the area na nagre-require talaga sila ng at least at 10% down payment. So when it comes to flexible payment terms, Zadilla is very flexible, no? And our down payment is payable pa up to 35 months with a 0% interest, no? So imagine you can have a monthly down payment for as low as 22,000, and you can also use a credit card or cash as a payment option. So talagang very flexible, talagang hindi ka na mahihirapan, no? At ang kagandahan pa dito, no, once na reserve mo na yung unit, no, malalak mo na yung current price niya. So kahit anong price increase in the future, hindi na maapektuhan yung total contract price mo. So, imagine, no, habang nagbabayad ka, nagpa-price increase siya. Kasi here in Zadilla, in every 15 units na nare-reserve, automatic, we have this price increase. So, if na-secured mo na yung current price mo, no, automatic, nagpa-price appreciate na yung value ng property mo. So, kumikita ka na habang nasa down payment stage ka pa lang. So, later guys, no, pupuntahan natin ang pinaka-showroom ni Zadilla, which is just located lang near sa Pasay Paseo Outlet Mall na napakalapit lang din dito sa pinaka-location ni Zadia. So sa likod ko makikita nyo, this is the Tower 2 na already constructed, no? At meron na pong mga nakatira dyan. And this is the Tower 3 na ongoing ang construction, almost complete na din siya. And this area naman kung saan itatayo ang ating pinaka-clubhouse ng ating amenity, no? Ano ba ang amenity na meron here in Zadia Condominium? Makikita niyo sa video ko kanina, nandun tayo sa area kung saan located ang gazebo, which is already existing na. Nandun din ang indoor and outdoor na basketball court. Pwede din siya. We also have this table tennis court. And meron din tayong, of course, hindi naman mawawala sa clubhouse natin, ang pool. So marami pang amenity here in Zadia. So ipa-flash ko sa video na to kung ano ba yung pinaka-itsura ng ating clubhouse. Ang kagandahan naman dito kay Greenfield Development Corporation, no, when it comes naman sa amenity, no, very promising talaga sila kung ano yung pinakita nila sa presentation, sa picture, talagang yun yung magiging existing na ilalabas nila. So wala tayo nitong expectation versus reality. So talaga makikita nyo kung ano yung i-promise nila during the presentation. Guys, puntahan natin yung location kung saan naman itatayo ang Tower 4. Like I mentioned to you earlier, no, it's currently on pre-selling, no. And as of now, no, we are now offering level 7, no. So sa mga gusto ng may mga amenity view, this is the perfect time na mag-invest kayo. So tara! So right now, andito tayo sa pinaka-location kung saan itatayo ang Tower 4, no? So as of now, no, this is the pre-selling project here in Zadia Condominium by Greenfield Development Corporation. And we are now offering level 7 at nakagandahan dito, no, meron tong amenity view. So sa mga gusto magkaroon ng amenity view na unit, this is the perfect time to invest. So tara guys, puntahan na natin ang ating showroom at ipapakita ko sa inyo ang ating deliverable unit and dress-up unit. So let's go guys! So right now we are here sa showroom ni Zadia, which is located in Laguna Central, just here in Greenfield City. So ipapakita ko sa inyo today ang ating deliverable unit na merong 24.90 square meter. So tara! So upon entry, this countertop, upon entry, this kitchen countertop is already included upon turnover. So wala pa siyang hanging cabinets kung mapapansin nyo, and pwede mo lang siyang palagyan or ipa-customize according sa decoration or sa interior na gusto nyo. In this area naman, located ang ating toilet and bath, which is very spacious. As you can see, no, meron na siyang tiles, included na din to upon turnover. Ang kagandahan dito, kasya pa ang washing machine, no, so hindi nyo siya kailangan problemahin kung saan nyo siya pwedeng ilagay. So in this area, no, dito naman yung place kung saan ating living area, dining area, and of course, the bedroom. So later, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang ating dress-up unit, so para meron kayong idea kung paano ba siya pagandahin. So usually, ang ating bedroom is dito siya nakalagay. Then ang ating mga cabinet or closet cabinet will be dito naman sa area na to. And the dining area, pwede mo siyang ilagay dito. Pwede ka din maglagay ng television para ma-maximize mo yung space. Yung ibang client naman namin, no, nagde-design sila na pwede din siyang pa-loft type. Para yung iba kasi gusto nila, meron silang office space na nilalagay nila sa ilalim ng kanilang pinaka-bed. So, ang kagandahan naman dito kay Zadia, no, kahit studio unit lang siya, meron na itong balcony. So, here naman, you have an option to choose kung ano bang view ang gusto nyo. We have this amenity view, Greenfield view, or the Nuvali Tagaytay view, no. So, tara, pakita ko sa inyo ating dress-up unit ng ating studio type. So, let's go! So guys, here yung ating dress up ng studio unit na may 24.90 na square meter. So ito yung na-mention ko sa inyo earlier na included upon turnover, which is the kitchen countertop. And then ito is pina-customize na lang, no, para ma-emphasize or mapa-maximize natin yung space. And dito naman sa ating toilet and bath, pinalagyan na siya ng pinaka-division. So, hindi na mag-i-spill yung water pag nag-shower tayo. At the same time, nandito na din yung pinaka-ating laundry area. So, di ba napakalaki ng space niya. So, talagang na-maximize na siya. And this area naman will be for your dining area and also the living area. As you can see, no, pwede na siya for two, where you can enjoy dining with your someone special. And this is the bedroom. Andito din yung ating pinaka-closet na pinagawa lang din, which is not included talaga din upon turnover. So, as I mentioned to you, kasi nga may balcony ito, eto po siya. So, we also have here a combined unit, no, which is 49.80 naman ng pinaka-square meter niya. So, sisilipin din natin yun so you can have an idea kung ano ba ang itsura ng ating combined unit. So, let's go! So, we are now here sa ating combined unit, no, para may idea kayo. So, guys, this is already dressed up. So, meron na itong mga gamit which is not included upon turnover. So, this area, which is the kitchen, no, as you can see, it's very spacious na talaga siya. So, parang nakabukod na siya. And the dining area is located here. So, talagang meron ka ng sariling space for dining and living area. So, nakabukod na yung pinaka-bedroom niya. Yun yung kagandahan doon. At the same time, since ito'y combined unit, dalawa na rin yung pinaka-balcony nito. So, silipin natin yung ating pinaka-toilet and bath. Sa ating toilet and bath, no, meron itong access going to living area and also an access going sa ating pinaka-one bedroom, no. So, here, no, meron, so, yan, as you can see, meron siyang daan dito. So, as you can see, mas malaki yung cabinet na pwede mong ipalagay once na nagpa-customize ka since this is a combined unit. So, this is the bedroom. Naka-separate na siya. So, meron ka talagang privacy. So, talagang ma-enjoy mo pag ikay nag-purchase ng combined unit here in Zadia. And as I mentioned to you earlier, no, magiging dalawa yung balcony mo. Yun yung one of the advantage when you invest in a combined unit. So, this is perfect din siya for investment, especially sa mga gustong mag-retire na ayaw mag-purchase ng house and lot, which is mas preferred nila mag-stay in a condominium.